Hi everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to present our proposal for the Stellar Community Fund 39. Today, I'm excited to introduce Nova Indexer, an open-source, finance-aware DeFi indexer tailored for Stellar. I'm Eva from the Nova Indexer team. Let's dive in. Let's start with the challenge at hand. Stellar lacks a native DeFi indexer, which is severely limiting the growth of its DeFi ecosystem. Without this key infrastructure, developers have to manually build custom indexers for any DeFi app that wants to incorporate Stellar TVL, positions, or analytics. This leads to high development costs, significant delays, and a patchwork of fragmented tools. Ultimately, it deters developer adoption, slows down innovation in critical areas like Soroban smart contracts, cross-border payments, and tokenized RWAs, and prevents real-time insights for wallets, dApps, and protocols. As you can see on the slide, this creates a bottleneck that's holding back Stellar's potential as a DeFi powerhouse. That's where Nova Indexer comes in. Nova is an open-source, finance-aware DeFi indexer with native Stellar support, designed to address these exact gaps. It transforms raw on-chain events into actionable financial insights, like profit and loss calculations, health factors, liquidation risks, and claimable rewards, through a layered architecture. We start with Stellar first. Adapters for data normalization, use WASM executors for protocol-specific logic, and an ingest orchestrator for sub-second push streams. This enables seamless integration for dApps and wallets, drastically reduces development barriers, and accelerates Stellar DeFi adoption, beginning with Soroban protocols and built to be extensible for future chains. Now let's break down how Nova works under the hood, starting with the data flow. As shown in this diagram, data enters from the Stellar network via Horizon for transactions and Soroban RPC for events. It flows through our chain adapter for normalization, then to the ingest orchestrator, which routes and streams it. From there, the WASM engine applies protocol packs to compute finance-aware outputs, stored in a DB plus cache for speed. Finally, consumers like wallets, protocols, or analytics dashboards access it via GraphQL or WebSocket APIs, enriched with price feeds for accurate insights like P&L and health metrics. This flow ensures sub-second real-time updates, making Nova reliable and efficient for Stellar's high-throughput environment. Building on that, here's a closer look at the components and how they interact through function calls. At the center is Nova Indexer, with the API GraphQL plus WebSocket, handling requests from consumers, wallets, dApps, protocols, or dashboards, queries and subscriptions, fetch persistent results, or execute packs, pulling from storage. The ingest orchestrator schedules routes and streams, fetching from the chain adapter, which normalizes data from Horizon, Soroban events, or price feeds. The WASM engine runs protocol-specific logic in secure packs, like for Stellar DEXs or lending. This modular design allows easy extensions. Add a new pack for a protocol, and it's integrated. It's all open source, auditable, and optimized for Stellar's strengths. With the architecture in place, let's talk roadmap. Nova Indexer's phased rollout on Stellar prioritizes technical stability and user value. We begin with testnet integration and expand to full mainnet support, P&L analytics, and extensibility, all while addressing evolving market needs. This ensures we deliver a polished MVP quickly. Over the next 3 slides, I'll detail each tranche, including deliverables, criteria, and timelines. In Tranche 1, we establish the foundation for Stellar support by building the chain adapter and WASM executor, enabling push-based streaming for faster DeFi updates. Key deliverables include the Stellar-specific adapter using Horizon and Soroban events, initially limited to 1 year's history, reusable WASM packs for protocols like Aquarius, cables, and lending, plus the ingest orchestrator for block syncing and Redis WS streams. We'll also test the GraphQL WS gateway for basic Pandal queries. Completion criteria: the adapter and engine are operational on testnet with live data, core protocols supported at sub-second speeds, and endpoints showing real-time status. Timeline: 8 weeks. This gets us to a functional core quickly. Moving to Tranche 2, we extend Nova's integration by adding more DeFi and RWA protocols, like new AMMs, lending platforms, and tokenized assets from Archax. We'll enhance WASM packs for advanced computations, P&L, claimable rewards, and risk metrics based on Stellar's assets. Plus, release an open-source SDK CLI for community-built packs. Criteria for success: new protocols integrated with finance-aware logic, packs computing accurate insights like health factors via API, and the SDK supporting custom creation and testing. Timeline: 6 weeks. This tranche focuses on depth and community involvement. Finally, Tranche 3 completes the mainnet launch with Stellar-focused adapters, ensuring less than 1% data difference from testnet and fallback to external indexers. We'll prep extensibility with a unified schema for future adapters, like EVM or Solana down the road, and provide a simple open-source dashboard for querying P&L, risks, and history. Completion criteria: mainnet streams with sub-second updates and accurate insights, schema enabling code reuse, and the dashboard reflecting real-time performance. Timeline: 6 weeks. By the end, Nova will be live and ready for ecosystem adoption. To ensure Nova reaches its audience, our GTM plan is phased like the roadmap. In early builder launch post-Tranche 1, we target Web3 devs and DeFi protocols by sharing demos, API docs, and the WASM SDK in Stellar Discord and Telegram, selecting partners for integrations, and engaging via AMAs, feedback sessions, and beta programs. For power user onboarding after Tranche 2, we focus on analysts and protocols, integrating 1 to 2 Stellar DeFi RWA projects, showcasing P&L examples, participating in Stellar Meridian 2026, and hosting workshops, webinars, and hackathons. Finally, full platform launch post-Tranche 3 targets DeFi users, wallets, and investors with the analytics dashboard release, partnerships with aggregators, online events, and campaigns like bounties for WASM packs, social challenges on X-Reddit, and referral programs. This will establish Nova as the de facto open-source DeFi indexer for Stellar. Thank you for your attention. With SCF funding, Nova Indexer can unlock Stellar's DeFi potential.